Hi Jim, I just had a quick look and I noticed there's something burnt on the board. I think it's a little transistor. I didn't notice it before because it's so small and I didn't use my microscope, so let's have a look under the scope. And I think it's over here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's definitely blown. That's a little transistor or something, and I believe it is the track that is feeding that same relay. So I don't know what that says. 6BW. Let's see if there's another one on another relay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, 6BW. So I need to get one of those and see if that will fix it. I've also noticed there's a bit of what looks like corrosion or heat damage or something. It's like some residue. Might have been from the overcurrent that the relay got. So let's just have a look at that diode. No, it's showing alright. Try it the other direction. Yeah, no, that's showing okay. Right, I'll try and get one of these for you and fit it, and we'll see where we go from there. I'm pretty sure that's probably shorted. Let's have a look. So from here to here. Yeah, that's what's probably 99% guaranteed that's the problem. Right. Leave it with me and I'll try and get one for you. Cheers.